How are you all, friends? I hope you are well. Today I have a new video for you. Hope you enjoy the video. Let's start the video. Today we will learn how to draw wild rose. Since the video is very large, it is divided into two parts. Today we will learn to outline. Parvati video will be in color. So a full circle aki for boiling wild rose in the beginning. Since there are 5 petals of the rose, cut the circumference of the circle with a diameter slightly larger than the diameter of the circle and make 5 segments. Add these 5 segments to the center of the circle, then add 1 petal to each section as shown in the reference picture. To draw the next flowers, we'll use semicircles and dot for the petals. First, I will try to draw each petal according to the petals shown in the picture. Not all petals have to be exact. Any natural thing, such as leaves, branches, etc., is not always Muslim in outline, sometimes it is curved, and its shape and shape are not all the same. The flower petals are not all the same perfect, some petals are small, some are big. The edges of the petals are crooked, but if the comparable petals are kept the same size, the image looks beautiful. We see different ones at different angles. These small things should be taken care of while sizing. Which flower is in which position? How are the surrounding leaves and branches everywhere? The outlines should be tried well. Then after coloring, the picture will come alive. I hope you all understand. That's all for today. Stay tuned for next video. If you like my video, please comment and subscribe. Everyone will be fine, Toda. Have a good day. Bye bye.